Security, the transport is arriving at Gate 2. Affirmative. Directing them to the main processing area now.
Okay, bring it back nice and slow.
Yes, sir.
You're clear on this side, keep coming straight. Stop right there.
Manifest and health certificates match the digital record. You are cleared for entry. Proceed to unloading Bay C.
All right, hold it right there. Secure the ramp. Ramp is secure, boss. Easy now, watch his left side.
Easy now, keep him moving right.
All right, straight ahead to the inspection gate.
Scan complete. Check the dorsal reading against the baseline.
Reading is slightly elevated, but still within protocol limits.
Okay, the scan is successful. Check the screen, vital signs look good. Confirmed, we are all set here.
I'm logging the retinal scan now. Looks good.
Confirming the otoscope reading, everything is within the acceptable range for quality assurance.
Keep him steady, the ultrasound is clear.
Ribeye depth is consistent with the breed standard.
He's calm in the chute, vitals are steady.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Agreed. Final clearance granted. You can move him now.
Ensure the linkage alignment is within tolerance. The tablet shows a slight variance here. I see it. It's still within operating parameters, but worth monitoring. Pressure looks good here?
Yeah.
Noted. The flow rate is steady.
The flow rate dipped slightly on station 4.
Adjusting the pressure now. Looks stable. Did you get this spot right here?
Yeah, I'm increasing the pressure now. Looks good.
This gray hide is approved for premium jacket production. Record batch number 459A.
We have a slight variance here. The tensile strength is still acceptable according to the scan data. Very good. Mark it and move it along.
Look at the fluctuation on the temperature gauge here. We need to stabilize that before the next cycle begins. The moisture levels are stabilizing right on schedule.
And the temperature in drum 3 is holding steady. Everything looks good. I'll update the log.
Moisture levels are stable at 14%.
Good, I'll log that for the batch consistency report.
Workers apply conditioning treatments that improve flexibility and comfort. The gray leather moves through advanced processing equipment. Factory technicians verify softness standards.
See this imperfection. The scanner confirms it.
All right, let's remove it. The rest is perfect for the jackets.
This seam right here, that's exactly what we want. Excellent work.
Thank you.